Welcome back to the Love Vegan Kitchen, and this week 3 super simple recipes. We're going to do snacks in under 5 minutes. So we're going to make a chocolate milkshake, a blueberry smoothie, and a super quick stir fry. Starting off with my favourite, the chocolate milkshake. This one is so easy. We're just going to blend up some ingredients. Starting off with some vegan ice cream. So if you don't want to use ice cream, you can use frozen bananas. We're going to do a mix of both today. So you need 1 cup of ice cream, 1 cup of frozen banana, half frozen bananas. These defrosted on the way to the studio today. We're going to put in a cup of oat milk. There we go. And some cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Lovely. I quite like vanilla, so I'm going to add a little drop of Madagascar vanilla. So just 1 teaspoon of that. There we go. Delicious. And if you want to sweeten it up, you can use some agave, you could use some maple syrup. This week we're just going to use 1 medjool date. So make sure you take the stone out, and we're just going to drop in 1 medjool date, and there we go, everything ready. I'm going to be actually quite like an ice cream shake. I'll put a bit of extra ice cream in mine. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to pop this in the blender and then it'll be ready. There we have it in just a few seconds. 1 delicious half smoothie, half milkshake. So good. Just make sure you blend it up enough to break down the frozen bananas and the medjool date. We're just going to decorate it with a little bit of cacao nibs and favourite strawberry. There we go. Absolutely delicious. Ready in seconds. Delicious chocolate milkshake smoothie. Recipe number 2 in this 5-minute meal is a blueberry smoothie. This is one of my favourites and it's super easy to make. Similar to the chocolate milkshake, we're just going to add in 1 frozen banana. Or not very frozen banana. Normally this would just be made with just frozen banana, but because they're melted on the way to the studio, I'm going to just cool it down and thicken it up with a little bit of vegan ice cream. In you go. Add in 1 cup of blueberries. Lovely. If you want to add some protein to this, you can put in a load of peanut butter or almond butter. Any nut butters to make it really thick and really tasty. I'm going to add into mine a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. I really like cinnamon. If I have any left, yep. There we go. And 1 cup of your favourite plant milk. There we go, lovely. If you want to sweeten it up again, obviously you can add medjool date, but I think with the ice cream we're good to go on this one. Let's drop this in the blender. And there we go, ready in no time. 1 banana blueberry smoothie. Oh, looks tons of blueberries in there. Absolutely delicious. Just going to decorate this one with a little bit of mint. And I think some freeze-dried raspberries. There we go. Look at that, absolutely delicious, ready in seconds. Blueberry banana smoothie, a little bit of ice cream. So tasty and extremely filling for those days when you want something healthy and fast. So meal 3 in our 5-minute meals is a very simple stir fry. I've got a little bit of tofu, a couple of mushrooms, a bit of broccoli and red onion. Ideally I'd add some red pepper to this, but I forgot to bring it to the studio. For the sauce, I've got a little bit of salty soybean sauce and a little bit of mushroom sauce. So let's quickly prep the veg and then we're going to chuck it in the frying pan. I'm simply just going to cut my tofu into small chunks so they cook really quick. There we go. Onion, just slice it up. There we go. Just give me that. There we go. Mushrooms. And I'm going to cut the broccoli up into little bite-sized pieces just so they cook really quick. So I'm going to take the hard bits off the stem and we're just going to cook the ends. There we go, simple as that, prep's done. I'm going to throw it in the frying pan and get cooking. Okay, because this is a super fast stir fry, we're just going to do everything pretty much at once. I'm going to put the tofu in first just so at least one side crisps up pretty fast on the bottom here. Ideally I would have a larger pan than this. There we go, and on top of that I'm going to add my onions, broccoli, and mushrooms on the top because they cook slower, so we'll just let the tofu cook for a minute before we start stir frying. So everything's been frying for a few minutes, so I'm just going to add in our salty soybean paste. Don't really need to add too much of this, it is pretty salty. And I'm going to add in the mushroom sauce. There we go. Just need to fry this up for a couple of minutes. There we have it, one super fast stir fry. I'm just going to serve up in a bowl. There we go. Because of the salty soybean paste, I'm going to complement that with a wedge of lime. Perfect accompaniment to a salty sauce. And for garnish, we're just going to have a little bit of spring onion, and you can decorate with a few leaves of parsley. There we go, 5-minute meal, one super fast lunchtime stir fry. As you can see, the veg prep was just instant, chop it up in the pan. And you notice I'm not using any noodles or rice. It's up to you if you have any leftover rice from the night before. When you finish cooking, chuck it in the pan and use it to deglaze the pan and absorb all the sauces that are left in the pan. Same with noodles, you could soak them and put them on the side in the 5 minutes it takes to make this, but personally I quite like it like this. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my super fast stir fry my blueberry smoothie. Someone's already drunk the chocolate milkshake. Thank you very much for watching this week. I'll see you next time.
Sunflower.